Hi, this is Jo from jojoebi.com and this is Ebi-kun with hiccups. So we're going to show you how to get rid of them. Not like that. Okay, you need to get somebody to stand behind them and pull their earlobes down and hard and drink a glass of water at the same time. So pull down on the ears, drink the water. They gone?
I think so.
Ta-da! This works every time, so if you've ever got hiccups, this is what you need to do. Was that you putting it on?
It was me putting it on.
Cheeky. Okay, where can people follow me?
On YouTube?
No, jojoebi.com is where they find me.
jojoebi.com.
And if you swipe right of Hit's profile, you can follow me there. If you've missed it, because we've just done it and now he hasn't got hiccups, then you can watch the replay. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Make sure you tap the screen to get some hearts.
Oh, that's right. Tap the screen, tap the screen.